Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a lovely 2-story 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. It also comes with 2 living rooms, 2 dining area, 2 kitchen area, front and back patio, washroom, rooftop balcony, and carport. This house is approximately 95% completed, and there is still an opportunity to put your personal touch to the kitchen and bathrooms. This house can also be an investment opportunity. The land area of this house is approximately 4,306 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 186,000 or Jamaican $28.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.